let's be real. You guys don't care about actually seeing this. You want to see my mini tree. That is totally what you came here for. Look at that, all of its glory. Beautiful, is it not? Hey guys! Welcome to Weekly Art Inspirations. Once again, we are back doing Christmas videos. So for the next month, there will be videos going out that will be Christmas themed. So stay tuned for those. I know that we're going to be having some fun ones coming up. This should be the second video coming out for the month of December. And today we are going to be doing some cards for the DeviantArt holiday card project. By the time this goes up, it will actually be over, but you can still make cards and take them to your local old folks home and even local hospitals, that wherever you may be, or just make some cards for your friends. Those who are feeling sick this year, make some really fun cards. So with that said, it is also going to be a challenge today because I'm using $1 products. I have right back here, let me change hands, I have $1 what am I holding? Watercolor. I can't even see it. $1 watercolor from the dollar store. And then I have these really awful looking markers. So we're gonna see what art we can do. We're gonna do the best we can, and we are going to make some cards for the project that is going on called the Holiday Card Project. If you want to find out more about that, I will leave a link in the description below of where you can find out about that. It will be over, but they do it every year. So if you want to join next year, or you're watching this next year, crazy to think about, be sure to follow that link below. Anyway, you guys, let us get started. So with these markers, I was so impressed at how well they did. They felt like Faber-Castell markers, like only better, which is kind of scary that they are better than Faber-Castell that cost, I believe, around $3 or $4 and sometimes $5 or $6. I think that is incredible that these markers did as well as they did, and the watercolor did extremely well for a very crappy $1 watercolor. It did really well. I was so incredibly shocked at how good these freaking $1 art supplies did. Okay guys, so here is one finished card. I will say that for dollar store products, it is sticky, which I was really surprised with. But there is the outside of our card with a little wolf running through the woods with a Christmas hat. And then it says Merry Christmas on the inside, have a good day, and on the back I always jokingly write like I have some really cool company named Star Cards because I love creating cards for my friends and family for their birthdays and Christmas and stuff. But yeah, so that's the back of it. Anyways guys, so let's get on to the next one. I will admit, like, I'm surprised. This brush is crap. Like, I'm sorry. I could have used it. I just decided to chuck it because that is just trash. So I did use some of my normal Craft-A-Mo, whatever you want to call them, brushes, because oh my gosh, this would have taken so much longer had I not used actual brushes. So there is that, and I did cheat and put a white dot in the eye, so I have a few things I've cheated with the $1 thing. So it wouldn't have turned out as nice had I not used more expensive brushes, but I feel like even if you're buying $1 stuff, you have to have semi-okay brushes. So chew me in the comments if you want. Onwards to our next card. Working on this Santa, I kind of just wanted to do, honestly, just for memory, kind of like a happy, jolly, very bearded Santa. I had no actual reference for this, and I can't even remember if Old St. Nick's eyes are blue or green, so I made them blue-green, because that's the easiest way to solve this problem, as always. Hey guys, so that is the end of doing Mr. Claus right here, doing Santa. I had so much fun doing this. The inside, the back, all of it, but I am so amazed and so shocked. For $1, guys, these supplies that I have bought from the dollar store are, for once, are you ready, in the kids section, worth it. I am not gonna lie. And maybe it's just because of I love watercolor and doing different things like that, and so I'm not really bugged by it. But the only thing I would say that's weird about it is does have a little stickiness to it. There is, if I can catch it in the right light. If you can see that shine that's going on up here, it is a little sticky still, and that's the one weird thing about the watercolor. Otherwise, guys, these markers, if you want an inexpensive thing to buy markers, go to the dollar store and buy these. Let's see what they're called. They look like this if you want to go grab some. I'm amazed at how well they did. I'm amazed at how well this did. I mean, I will admit the watercolor pan broke, the rest of it's kind of crap, but I actually really like these tools. I've never used $1 stuff, and yet I almost would say these are better than some of the stuff I paid a lot of money for, so there is that. But with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing these different little cards getting made. I had so much fun doing these. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying these kind of Christmas themed videos. Let me know in the comments below if you have any ideas for some future videos, if you're enjoying what's going on. And I'd love to hear what you guys are doing for Christmas. If you have a favorite tradition or you want to do cards like this, remember to hashtag #ArtSprites on Instagram or anywhere that you post stuff, and let me know and see your creations if you have some cards you make up and send to friends, people who are sick, hospitals, or different things, or even the DA holiday card project. With that said, guys, remember that you are incredible, stay inspired, stay amazing, and just remember you're awesome. Okay guys, so be sure to subscribe if you'd like to see more, like this video if you enjoyed it, and you know, here's some more videos. Have a fantastic holiday season and Christmas, my friends. Bye guys!